10th sum. In a game of chance, a spinning arrow. So this is a spinning arrow which comes to rest at one of the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the sample space? All the numbers will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So ns will be equal to what? 8. Now event A, spinning arrow, rest at 8. So it should come and rest at 8. So there is only one 8. So A is equal to how much? That is 1. So PA is equal to what? NA upon NS, that is 1 upon 8. So PA is equal to 1 upon 8. Now event B, spinning arrow, rest at an odd number. So which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 and 7. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So probability PB is equal to what? NB upon NS, that is 4 upon 8. That's equal to 1 upon 2. Event C, the spinning arrow rest at a number greater than 2. So greater than 2, which all numbers are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the numbers which are greater than 2. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NC is equal to 6. So PC is equal to NC upon NS, that is 6 upon 8. That's equal to 3 upon 4. Now event D, the spinning arrow rest at a number less than 9. Now less than 9, all these numbers will come because 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is all less than 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many elements are there? 8. So PD is equal to ND upon NS, that is equal to 8 upon 8, that's equal to 1. So what is your final answer? PA is equal to 1 upon 8, PB is equal to 1 upon 2, PC is equal to 3 upon 4 and PD is equal to 1. Now sum number 11, there are 6 cards in a box, each bearing a number from 0 to 5. So what will be the sample space? 0 till 5, you have to write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many elements are there in sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So NS is equal to 6. Now event A, the card drawn shows a natural number. So which are the natural number? 0 is not a natural number, it's a whole number. So only from 1 till 5 you'll write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is NA equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total elements are 5 and PA is equal to NA upon NS, that is 5 upon 6. Next event B, the card drawn shows a number less than 1. So less than 1, only one number is there. What is that? 0. So only one element is there. So PB is equal to NB upon NS, that is 1 upon 6. So PB is equal to 1 upon 6. Now event C, the card drawn shows a whole number. Now whole number, all this from 0 to 5 is a whole number. So I write down all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many elements are there? If you count, there will be 6 elements. This 5 and plus 1, 0 is equal to 6. So PC is equal to NC upon NS, that is 6 upon NS is also 6, that's equal to 1. Now event D, the card drawn shows a number greater than 5. Now greater than 5, there are no numbers given over here. So it's a null set. There is no number in the sample space which is greater than 5. So ND is equal to 0, PD is equal to ND upon NS, that is 0 upon 6, that's equal to 0. And then write down the answer. Now a 12th sum, they have given a bag contains 3 red, 3 white and 3 green balls, and 1 ball is taken out of the bag at random. So let the 3 red balls be R1, R2 and R3, 3 white balls be W1, W2, W3 and 3 green balls be G1, G2, G3. So what will be our sample space? All this will come in the sample space, that is R1, R2, R3, W1, W2, W3, G1, G2, G3. So totally how many are there? 9. So NS is equal to 9. Now event A, the ball drawn is red. How many red balls are there? 3 of them. So R1, R2, R3. Totally how many are there? Elements? 3 elements. So Na upon Na is equal to what? 3 upon 9, that's equal to 1 upon 3. Now event B, the ball drawn is not red. So other than red, rest all you have to write. That is white ball and green ball. So W1, W2, W3, G1, G2, G3. That is equal to how much? 6. So PB is equal to what? NB upon NS. That is 6 upon 9. That is equal to how much? 2 upon 3. Now event C, the ball drawn is red or white. So R1, R2, R3 or white. So W1, W2, W3. So totally how many elements are there? 6. That is PC is equal to NC upon NS. That's equal to 6 upon 9, that's equal to 2 upon 3. So then you write down the answer. What is PA, PB and PC? Now sum number 13, they have given each card bears one letter from the word mathematics. So what will be a sample space? Write down the spelling of mathematics, M-A-T-H-E-M-A-T-I-C-S. Totally if you count, how many elements are there? 11 elements are there. Now event A, card drawn bears the letter M. Now how many M are there in the sample space? 2 M are there. So M, M. Na is equal to how much? 2. So Pa is equal to Na upon Ns, that is 2 upon 11. So this is the answer of 13 sum. Now 14 sum, total number of students in the school. They have said out of 200 students from the school. So total number of students is how much? 200. 135 like kabaddi. So number of students who like kabaddi is how much? 135. And the number of students who do not like kabaddi, it is not given, so you have to find out. That is out of 200, if you subtract 135, you get how much? 65. So 200 minus 135 are the number of students who don't like kabaddi, that is equal to 65. Now event A, the student selected does not like kabaddi, so A will be equal to how much? Na, directly you have to write Na. Na is equal to how much? Na is equal to 65. Therefore, Pa is equal to how much? Pa is equal to Na upon Ns. That's equal to 65 upon 200. It goes in 5's table. When you divide it by 5, you get 13 upon 40. Then write down the answer. Now sum number 15, a 2-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repetition of the digits is allowed. What is the meaning of repetition of digits is allowed? That is 11, 22, 33, 44 is allowed. In the previous sums it was given that repetition of the numbers were not allowed, but here it is allowed. So what is the number over here? We will start from 1, not from 0. If you take 0, 1, that will be 1. It will become 1-digit number and not 2-digit number. So you will start from 1. That is 1, 0, 10. Then 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 3 is 13. 1, 4 is 14. Similarly with 2, you will take 2, 0. Then 2, 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next with 3, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Next with 4, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So this is sample space. If you count over here, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 5s is how much? 20 elements are there. The number formed is a prime number. So remove all the prime numbers from the sample space. So which are the prime numbers? 11, 13, 23, 31, then 41 and 43. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 elements are there. So PA is equal to NA upon NS, that is 6 upon 20. That's equal to 2 3s are 10, 3 upon 10. Now event B, the number formed is a multiple of 4. Now which number goes in 4's table? 12, 20. Then next will come 24, 32. Then will come 40, 44. 40, 44. So totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are there. So NPB is equal to NB upon NS, that is 6 upon 20. That's equal to 3 upon 10. Now event C, the number formed is a multiple of 11. So which are the numbers which are multiple of 11? 11, 22, 33 and 44. 11, 22, 33, 44. So NC is equal to 4. So PC is equal to NC upon NS, that is 4 upon NS is equal to how much? 20. So that's equal to 1 upon 5. Then write down the answer. Now sum number 16th, the faces of a die bears a number. So what are the numbers on the dice? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the numbers which are given on the dice. There are 6 faces on the die. On one face there is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what are the possibilities in the sample space? It is same like what we used to use from 1 to 6. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Then with 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Similarly, you'll write down the next rest of them. And total elements in this is how much? NS is equal to 36. So event A, the product of the digit on the upper face is 0. So when you multiply, what is the meaning of product? When you multiply the two numbers, you should get the answer 0. So what are the possibilities over here? A, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Then this one, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, and the last one is 5, 0. So when you multiply this, you will get the answer 0. So when you multiply 0 into 0, the product is what? 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 2, 0. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So NA is equal to 11. So what is the probability that you get the product of the digit on the upper face as 0? That is 11 upon 36. So the probability that the product of the digits on the upper face is 0 is what? 11 upon 36. This is the final answer.